Hi and welcome back to my channel, The Organised Mum Lifestyle. We're back in Auckland, New Zealand, and we've done a few day trips, and within 10 days we were in the caravan. We went to Whangatiao, which was fantastic, and I'm really looking forward to sharing you here. It's our favourite place to go to. We were back by the beach after 5 weeks of nowhere near the beach. The kids had a great time. We were back in Whangatiao by the sea. You driving? Go, go, go. As well as a trip to Whangatiao in the caravan, we've been back to Snowplanet, had a bit of fun there. The kids were a little bit older this time and had a little bit more fun. We also have been swimming twice and the kids love it. Getting ready for the summer here in New Zealand. Oh yeah, are we ready for the summer?
Yeah.
Mwah. It's been lovely to get back into the routine with work and daycare. It's been a good chance to really get into the juggle but reflect on the time away that we had. Whilst we were away, I was still working, my husband was still working, so it really was a juggle whilst being on holiday and enjoying our family and the visits, as well as keeping our hand in with our careers back in New Zealand, which is really important to us. So being at home, we've now got the kids back in daycare, we're back into a routine, back into the office and back into our adventures with our weekly routine. We also went to Ambury Regional Park, which is a lovely, free public park in the south of Auckland for a nice spring afternoon. And it's been really nice to have that time away, but to come back to New Zealand. I've also been editing all the videos from our UK trip, which I think I've got about one more to go and then we are there. So I've got about 12 videos from the UK trip series. Things about jet lag, flying with toddlers, packing and what I didn't pack. So please check out those videos on my channel. I hope you enjoyed that video, just an insight into our lives and what we get up to with our adventures. I've got loads more top tip videos coming up. We are looking forward to the summer here in New Zealand, so we're getting ready for some trips that we've got booked and some swimming and going down to the beach and just having a little bit of fun in New Zealand. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.